Hello there guys, so I just wanted to take a couple of minutes, maybe not even that much, to show you what happens when I don't video December the 18th. So the past couple of years I have videoed what I got. I still see this stuff right here. So they did things a little differently. So you're guaranteed a very rare, a rare, and a rare. So I adopted, each of these. I did not video it. I was like, maybe I'm not really going to get anything good, so I just, I didn't video it. But I should have, because I got the new UR. This one right here. I don't think it's fully grown yet, because it's not on the, what's it called? The special release page in the archives. So I got this, and that's probably going to be really rare, but I didn't video it. So I just wanted to take a couple of minutes just to say, well, these are the pets I got. I'm pretty sure this is like a 2009 maybe, and then this is a bat of some sort, and I'm not sure what year it's from. But I was so excited when I got this, because it's my first time in the 5 years that I played Chickensmoothie that I've gotten something good for December the 18th. I can't remember if I got a list pet. That I did not get this on December the 18th, and I didn't get this one either. It was someone else's. So no, I've never gotten anything good. I mean, I have, but not like list pets or anything. So this is gonna be a list pet. So I was just really excited about that and wanted to share it with you guys. So I would love for you guys to comment down below what 3 pets you got and how rare they were, and I'll be happy with you because it's exciting. December the 18th only happens once a year, so just share with me what pet you got.